Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are serious about honing your hacking skills, you probably heard of VulnHub. It's one of the best platforms for practicing ethical hacking in the safe and controlled environment. But do you choose the right machine to attack and exploit? In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of selecting optimal VulnHub machines based on your skills, level up your preferred exploitations techniques. Let's start it. So, what exactly is the VulnHub? If you are new to platform, it's an online repository for designed to be exploited in the legal and ethical manner. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, there is something for everyone here. So VulnHub is the perfect practice ground because it's provide a wide variety of machines that simulates a real world scenarios, whether you are preparing for certifications like oscp or just improving your skills. VulnHub has the tools you to need to succeed. Exploring the variety of VulnHub machines. There are the ton of VulnHub machines, and they vary in difficulty. Let's break them and down into the categories so you know exactly what you are getting into. So VulnHub offers multiple benefits. It's free. It simulates real world environments, and it helps you to practice your penetration testing skills. Plus, the best part of this that you can take your time and learn without worrying about legal issues. So VulnHub organize its a machine into the categorized based their difficulty level. First is a beginner machines, which is starting your hacking journey. These machines are perfect for if you are just starting about. There are designs to teach you the basics of penetration testing. Machines here often have simple vulnerabilities like outdated softwares or misconfigurations. Next, we have intermediate machines. Once you are comfortable with the basics, intermediate machines give you a chance to expand your skills. Aspects of complex vulnerabilities like command injections and cross-site scripting. And next we have advanced machines, which is the masterings and explorations techniques. Advanced machines are the sensors broads. These challenges will be test your knowledge of multiple exploitations techniques from the buffer overflows to privilege escalations. Now that you know the machines categories, let's talk about how to choose a right vulnerable machines. So this is the website of vulnhub.com, which is provide our virtual machines, which you can have to download these machines. Like here is the planet. The we choose the Django 1001, and here is the Django machine, which is the name of the machines. That was the release of the machine, which is the 4th November 2021. And author is the Django, and series has a many machines are in the series format, which you have to beginners levels to intermediate level. And here is the download, and here is the mirror file, which is a OVA file. You can download it and download OVA file and running on the virtual box and easily working on the virtual box. Difficulty level, all machines are specify his difficulty, which is easy, medium and intermediate difficulties. So the here is the description of the machines. The works better with the virtual box rather than a VMware, I said previously. And here is the file information, which is the file name of you can download this file. You download this file, which has the file name and what are the size of file and MD5 hash and SHA hash 1. and here is the virtual machine. Format of the file is OVA and operating system is Linux. And here is the networking section which defined the machine is use the DHCP services enable, and IP address is automatically assigned on the. You can start your machines and automatically assign the IP address. And here is the screenshot which is here is the forbidden screenshot of the machines, and here is the VirtualBox machine screenshot. Okay, so start with the machines that match your current skills level. If you are just beginning, choose beginner machines. As you gain the confidence, gradually move into the different level. This progressions helps you to build solid foundations without feeling overwhelmed. Focus on the machines that allow you to practice the specific techniques you want to improve, like SQL injections, buffer overflows, and web application. So another consideration is the operating system. VulnHub has the mix of Windows, Linux, and even a mix OS environment. So choose machines based on a OS you want to practice or specialize in. I said this is the machine description, which is operating system. Let's say I am focused on the practicing SQL injections, so I filter for the machines that I specifically target that the vulnerabilities. Once I select the machines, I start by scanning for the open ports and services, which I have walkthroughs in my YouTube channel, which you can search on the VulnHub walkthroughs. My channel is first, and you see the there are many machines. That's the walkthroughs on the YouTube. Now, by analyzing logs, I can pinpoint the exactly where the vulnerabilities lies and how it's exploited. So OneHub is not just about exploiting machines, it's about building the skills to think like a hacker and more importantly, like a responsible one. Once you are comfortable with the OneHub, you can start applying your skills to the real world scenarios like bug crowd, finding the bug hunting is the best option for the earning in the cybersecurity. Utilize your resources like OAups or for the web app security and SNS for the penetration testing. Best practices here. So and analyze and always remember ethical hacking is not just about finding vulnerabilities. It's about understanding how to report and fix them. Responsible hacking practices are essentials to keep the internet secure for everyone. Before we wrap up, I want to let you know that I created a complete VulnHub walkthrough playlist right here on my YouTube, which we find my YouTube channel, okay, youtube.com, and just you can type here secure 7, enter, and here is the first is our YouTube channel, and here is the playlist which I can 100 day 100 machine challenge, which is will have walkthroughs, so that you can save the playlist and daily solve one minimum one machine solve and upskill your techniques and upskill your confidence. So if you are looking for a detailed step-by-step walkthrough of various Valhalla machines, you find everything you need to hit that playlist. So check it out and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more ethical hacking content. Thanks for watching this video and happy hacking.